Today I'm going to tell you about solving percents using proportions. Now, one thing you might find yourself needing to do in percent and proportion problems is finding a percent. An example of a question where you find a percent is, what percent of 33 is 17? First, you would write 17 over 33 equals x over 100, because you have to translate a piece of 33 into a piece of 100, because that's the only way you can get a percent. So x over 100 is the unknown percent. First you would do 100 divided by 33 equals 3.03. So now you know that 33 times 3.03 equals 100. And now you do the same thing to 17 as you did to 33. So you multiply 17 by 3.03 and you get 51.5. 51.5 is the same as x now. So then 17 over 33 equals 51.5 over 100, and that's 51.5%. Here are some practice questions for finding percents, so you might want to stop the video for a second to solve those. Here are the answers to those practice questions. So the second thing you might need to do is finding a number, and an example of a question where you would find a number is, what is 15% of 40? Notice there's 1% and one number instead of two numbers in the question. Now you do something similar to a question for finding a percent, but this time the side with both numbers is 15 over 100 instead of the other one. So now you do 15 over 100 equals x over 40. And now you use the half with both numbers, which is again the bottom half. So that's 100 divided by 40 equals 2.5. So now you know 100 divided by 2.5 equals 40. So you do the same thing to 15 as you did to 100. So you do 15 divided by 2.5 equals 6. 6 is now the same as x again. So your answer is 15 over 100 equals 6 over 40. So then 6 is 15% of 40. Here are practice questions for finding a number. So you can stop the video again. Here are the answers for the practice questions. Here are some rules to remember when you're solving questions with percents and proportions. A fraction with a denominator of 100 is the same as a percent. Example of that would be 20 over 100 is the same as 20%. If a fraction has a numerator that is greater than the denominator, the percent is always going to be greater than 100. If you want to convert a decimal into a percent, all you have to do is divide it by 100 or move the decimal point 2 spaces to the left.